Welcome in everybody. In this video, I'm going to create the tube mount in Autodesk Inventor. So it says dimensions are in inches. So that tells me that I'm going to go to New, English, Template, Standard. I'm going to create. I'm going to start a 2D sketch. I'm going to start a 2D sketch. I rarely probably choose this one, but I'm going to use the YZ plane as my sketch plane. And then I'm just going to kind of draw the side view of that tube mount. So I'm going to start with a line. And I'm probably going to lock it on this origin here. So I'm going to click it. I'm going to drag it to the right. It looks like 5.375. 5.375 to the right, and then straight up that same distance, so 5.375. I'm going to go over to the left. That's 1.25. 1.25. And then from here, I'm gonna stop this side. I'm gonna take my line back over to the other side, and we'll start here and go straight up. So this is gonna be 1.75. These numbers are hard to read. 1.75. And then over to the right. Doesn't tell us what that is, does it? I'm just gonna draw it over to the right, down by 0.375, 0.375, and then I'm gonna just draw it over to where it lines up with that end of the line above it. You see a little dashed line, click in, so there, and go up to, let me get that green dot where I know I'm on the end of it. Boom. All right, so then I'm going to start dimensioning this. So I'm going to dimension, it tells me what the dimension is from this line to this line, and that is 3. It looks like 3. And that's the only one that I didn't really know. Let me drag this down. Let me drag this one down. All right, so from here, I'm going to finish my sketch. Double click it, double wheel mouse click to center it. I'm gonna extrude it backwards. So flip it. It's going to be a distance of 5 up here. And then I got some features I need to carve out of here. So I'm going to, where can I start? I'm going to start my 2D sketch on this back face here. And I'm going to draw a circle just randomly here. And then I'm going to dimension it. So this circle has a diameter of 2. And to locate where the center point of this circle is, I'm going to dimension it from the center. They give me that to the edge, and that looks like 2.5. And then from the center to the top edge is going to be, what is that, 2? Looks like 2. Yeah, so then I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude, cut it all the way through. Click OK. So there's that. Now I need to start my 2D sketch on this kind of front face here. And let's do the bottom one first. I'm gonna make a rectangle. I'm just gonna start at the bottom edge here and just kind of drag up and over. randomly. I'm going to dimension this. So this is 3 there. The height of that is 0.125. So this is 0.125. And then it's going to be 1 inch off the side. One. There we go. So I don't need to dimension that one, or do I? No. If that's 3, then that's 4, then that's got to be 5. All right. So we're good there. I'm going to, thinking out loud here. I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude cut this rectangle that we made all the way. I'm going to cut it all the way back. So through all, hit OK. So if I spin this around, you can kind of see it came out on the other side. So that's that. Then I got one more notch to cut out. So I'm going to start my 2D sketch on this front face again. I'm going to, again, create a rectangle from this top edge. I'm going to drag it over and down. I'm just going to come way down so I can dimension it easier. So this has a width of, that looks like 2.5. I'm going to go with that. 2.5 here. 2.5. Ooh, it's loud thunder outside. The height is 0.375. 0.375. And then I need to dimension it from the edge here. So from this edge to this edge, that is 1.25. That should center it up for us. I'm going to finish sketch. I'm going to extrude this. I'm going to extrude cut this, but not all the way through. So I'm going to cut this, and it's going to go. I'm going to click on the 2 option. So it's going to extrude it to the back face of this plane here. Right there, and then hit OK. So now, lastly, I just need to add my rounds and fillets. So it tells us our rounds and fillets have a radius of 0.5. So here, fillet. The fillet tool is here, or you can just type in F. So for radius, I need this to be 0.5. It's coming. It's raining hard out there now. Anyway, I don't know if y'all can hear that. Somebody's car alarm is going off because I guess the rain set it off. Anyway, so my radius of my rounds and fillets is 0.5. So I'm gonna click this edge here. I'm gonna click these edges at the top, and that should do it. Hit apply. Let me just not double click. I'll just click the home button. Same thing. So I'm going to go to view, do my same visual style technique, so nothing fancy. Turn shadows on. My lighting is photo booth. You can do realistic if you want. I like to turn the edges on so it kind of makes it pop out from the background, but that's why I picked shaded with edges. And then I'm going to color it smooth ivory. I'm going to save this. Wait, I might hit the wrong button. Save, and that is the Inventor tube mount. Yeah. All right, save it. All right, so we're done with that. All right, so I'm going to the next video. We're going to create the hanger jaw, which kind of looks like a toilet seat. I don't know. I'm just saying it does. But we'll attempt that next lesson. All right, peace.